Guns of any kind are not a toy, so please do not try this at home. We have a controlled environment and we are definitely using safety factors. Thank you. Don't try this at home. All right, Luke. So I hear you're quite the soccer ball player.
I never heard that.
All right. Ow! Vibranium.
Well, you're actually bleeding.
No, that's fine.
Aaron with a gun, not a good idea. Not a good idea at all.
Paintball game of skateboard gun with paintballs that look like
decimated.
Most of them have paintball.
Like Tide Pods.
I don't think this is a good idea, guys. So what do we do with this? We're gonna skate on it?
I think you do a kickflip and I'll try to shoot under you.
Before we started this video, we said we're gonna play paintball game of skate, and you said, I wanna get shot. Oh, pull that back, and now it's ready to fire. Holy, did it fire? Okay, go, shield man.
Go get goggles. Oh, Aaron!
What? Go get goggles, please. Okay. Win $1,000, here we go. Did I hit it? Wow. Gosh, you must be from Montana. The real problem here is that the skateboard is in the way of the sight. So you can't actually see where you're aiming. Soccer ball, I'm going for it. Did I get it?
I think so. All right.
Oh, I know what's happening. They're blowing up before they get out. I'm from Montana. I have been to gun safety classes.
Well, that's nothing.
They're saying, let's get leg. They want to get shot in the leg.
You want to get shot in the leg?
Oh, I don't know. Let's see how's my aim. Oh, dead on? Zombie killer?
I just got these pants.
Who cares?
Alright, fine.
One thumbs up. Firing it dry. Amateurs. They're so funny. They say off camera, they'll be like, yeah, can we get shot in the leg? And then I'll be like, if you want to. And then we'll film them and they'll say, Aaron's making us get shot. Not my idea.
So they cut holes for everything except the safety.
When it's close, it hurts? Yeah. So you want it further away? Yeah. Look at them. Look at what they're doing.
Those safety goggles will not actually protect from a paintball.
It'll shatter right into my eye.
Yeah.
Safety first. I feel bad about this. This feels wrong. Okay, you ready? If I hit this first try, you owe me a Jamba Juice.
Oh my God, that went in between his legs.
How's that? Oh, they're exploding before they're coming out. That's what's happening. We figured it out. It was actually hitting the board right here. Hashtag not the smartest people. We are not. There we go. Oh! Daniel!
Oh!
Was that bad?
Yeah.
Is it really bad?
Yeah.
Oh! Gosh, it's almost like that time I got shot in the knee.
Who's that from?
I don't know. I literally don't know.
That doesn't hurt as much as I remember.
I think you should get one, Aaron.
No!
Yes.
You get one! Alright, well what do we do with this now?
I've never shot a paintball gun.
Wait, I want to shoot.
Okay, Gabe, if you can hit Lance, I will give you $10. 5 tries. Dang. Wow, geez. What are you, Hawkeye? Oh yeah, SpongeBob.
Whoa! Dude, look what you did to it.
You have to give that up for that Montana aim right there. Are you kidding me? First try? I will shoot the roof just once.
There you go.
It doesn't hurt yet.
What do we do
Alright,
with
here.
this?
You stand that line, shoot it in that hole right there, through it.
No, we're not gonna shoot in that hole. There's people on the other side. Should we do a sharpshooter competition? Who's in? Me, you, and Gabe. We will roll on a skateboard, and then you have to shoot it in between that garbage can and hit this caution sign. 3 tries each. Whoever misses gets shot with this in the nutsack. No punishment, just a competition. First, second, third, fourth.
We got SpongeBob back. He's gonna contribute to today's video. Woo!
A little off. Oh, almost. Dang.
0.
I need one roll by.
Get out of here. You can't cheat.
Dang, I was so close.
Got him!
All right, Montana.
In some states, they call me Tex.
Okay, but they were all off center.
That's
okay?
2 for 3, sharpshooting champion. Let's go!
Oh no. Too high again.
Oh!
It's me versus Rowan, because we both have the top score. You shoot first, I shoot second. Whoever hits it first wins.
Too high.
I don't know how accurate this thing is at long distances.
Not bad. Oh yeah, here we go, here we go.
Nothing shot. I clearly would have hit it right there.
Can I please try, man? You guys aren't gonna hit it. Trial and error. Daniel, hold it. Hold it, Daniel. Daniel, hold it. Okay, go ahead, go ahead.
I just got it.
Actually, it might be easier for you if you're left-handed because you look on this side. Wait, look how funny this looks.
I'm like, dude, I suck at this. You know what? I'm gonna tap out there because I suck at this.
I'm covered in paint.
Dang, I gotta clean my basketball hoop. Aaron.
How do you miss?
It's not like a normal paintball gun. It doesn't.
Well, it has a skateboard strap to it.
Okay, go. Unload it.
Oh! Thank you.
Just unload it.
Fire, fool! Come on! Sorry, Carlos. If we do nothing else, we have to at least kickflip this. Daniel? Dang. I kind of want to keep this gun, though. We don't want to break it. Ow! Sound like Donkey Kong. Wow. Now I get to shoot you with it.
What?
Oh my gosh! You almost shot me.
It is so weird not seeing him in skin-tight pants.
Straight nailed that. Thank you, 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 thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had a ton of fun making it. Go right here for all of the other videos in this playlist. There's some videos in there that are an absolute blast. And then learn to skateboard. That's the most important thing that we want you to get out of all of these. Skateboarding is fun. We want you to learn how. Go right here to brailleskateboarding.com, which is your learn to skateboard resource. Thank you very much. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Please like and leave a comment below. I will see you in tomorrow's daily video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And always be safe.